Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to The Big Sweep. I'm Kelly, and today we're looking into something we all want, a clutter-free home. But here's the twist. We're going to do this the lazy way. That's right. Today I'll be sharing 24 lazy habits for a clutter-free home in 2024. So sit back, relax, and let's declutter together. Habit number 1, have designated drop zones. Create designated drop zones for items like keys, shoes, and bags near your entrance. This eliminates the need to hunt for them later. Number 2, daily 5-minute cleanup. Dedicate just 5 minutes each day to quickly tidy up surfaces and put things back in their place. It's amazing how much you can accomplish in such a short time. Lazy habit number 3, one in, one out rule. Whenever you bring in a new item, make it a habit to get rid of something similar. A pair of shoes in, a pair of shoes out. This prevents accumulation and keeps your space clutter-free. Number 4, declutter as you go. Instead of letting things pile up, declutter as you go about your day. If you notice something you no longer need, toss it or donate it right away. Number 5, if I don't have storage for it, I don't need it. Either I don't need it or I have too much stuff and need to get rid of something else in order to have storage for it. If you're feeling a bit less cluttered already, take a second and give us a thumbs up and subscribe to The Big Sweep. Ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future episodes. Number 6, learn from experts. Don't spend time and energy learning things by trial and error. Adopt methods and systems that have already been proven to work by other people. Stop trying to reinvent the wheel. Habit number 7, use a robot vacuum. A robot vacuum is a huge time saver. It can be programmed to work when you are out or sleeping or doing other tasks. Some even empty themselves when they are full. It will also force you to keep things picked up off of the floor. Habit number 8, only handle it once. When you take the mail out of your mailbox, bring it into the house and open it immediately. Get rid of the junk mail right away and put anything that requires further attention in the place where you do your household business. Number 9, rotate your decor. Keep your space feeling fresh by rotating decor items seasonally. Store away items you're not currently using and swap them out for a new look. Lazy habit number 10, group similar items. Group similar items together in baskets or bins to keep them organized and easy to find. Have a basket in the family room for blankets, one for toys, and so on. It's a simple yet effective way to maintain order. Habit number 11, daily wipe downs. Take a few minutes each day to wipe down surfaces in your bathroom to prevent soap scum and grime from building up. It makes deep cleaning much easier. It also keeps the bathroom guest ready, so you're not embarrassed if company drops by unannounced. Number 12, use multi-purpose products. Opt for multi-purpose cleaning products to streamline your cleaning routine. It saves time, as well as space in your cleaning cabinet. If possible, make your own all-natural cleaning products. They are often multi-purpose, and they are budget-friendly. Habit number 13, clear your workspace. Keep your workspace clutter-free by only having essential items on your desk. A clear workspace promotes productivity and reduces distractions. Number 14, use the 5-second rule. Pick up stuff that doesn't belong and take it with you when you leave the room. If you are going from the family room to the kitchen, take any dishes with you and put them in the dishwasher. Don't leave things in your car that don't belong there. Every time you leave your car, take the trash out. There are lots of little things that take just 5 to 20 seconds. But instead of just taking care of them immediately, we let them build up and then eventually, our house is a mess. Our car is a wreck and things are so stressful. So just do a bunch of 5-second tasks when you see them, instead of a bunch of 1-hour-long tasks when the mess is driving you crazy. Lazy habit number 15, first in, first out. Organize your pantry items so that older items are used first. This prevents food from expiring and going to waste. You can organize your fridge like this too. Number 16, meal planning. Plan your meals ahead for the week to avoid overbuying groceries and cluttering your pantry with unnecessary items. Try cooking just twice each week. You can make 2 one-pot or crock-pot meals. My husband and I get 8 to 10 portions from a pot of chili and about the same from a pot of beef stew. You'll have enough for lunch and dinner, plus some to put in the freezer for another time. You won't have to wash so many dishes, and just think of all the time you will save. Habit number 17, toy rotation. If you have kids, rotate their toys regularly to keep things fresh and prevent clutter overload. Store away toys that are not currently in use. Number 18, designate no clutter zones. Have certain areas of your home as clutter-free zones where no items are allowed to accumulate. It could be your dining table or kitchen countertops. Number 19, shoe rack by the door. Keep a shoe rack by the door to encourage family members and guests to take off their shoes upon entering. It prevents dirt and clutter from spreading throughout the house. Lazy habit number 20, sweep your house. When I say sweep your house, I'm not talking about sweeping it with a broom. I'm talking about walking the whole house once, twice, or 3 times a week. Set a timer and grab a box or a bag. Walk through each room individually and fill up that box or bag with stuff you don't need. When the timer is finished, so is your sweep. This way, you won't have to be doing huge, massive whole house declutters. You're sweeping through and picking up the easy-to-grab stuff. The stuff that you know you should get rid of, but you just haven't done it. This takes almost no time. It's easy to do. You can get your kids involved and make it a game. You might not get through the whole house or even a whole room. When the timer goes, just take the box or the bag and put it right in your car. The next time you go out, just drop it at the donation center and get rid of it. If it's all trash, then just put it out in the trash immediately. This is simple and easy, and you can do it quickly. It's one of the easiest ways to declutter. Habit number 21. Avoid having too many flat surfaces. Too many flat surfaces are just magnets for clutter. If you find a particular end table is always cluttered, either move it or get rid of the end table. If your kitchen table is always cluttered, put a nice tablecloth on it and top it with a fancy centerpiece or a bouquet of fresh flowers. People are less likely to drop clutter on a table that looks already decorated for dinner. Habit number 22. Assign chores to other household members. Share household chores with family members or roommates to lighten the workload and ensure that everyone contributes to maintaining a clutter-free home. Have cleaning bees so that you are all working at the same time. It's harder for others to skip out on chores if there is a designated time for everyone to get the work done. Number 23. Clean up while cooking. When you're finished chopping and slicing, clean up your cutting board and knives while the onions are cooking. While the roast beef is resting, wash the roasting pan. While you're waiting for something to boil, you can sweep or vacuum the kitchen floor or empty the sink and put dishes in the dishwasher. Doing little things while you are cooking will save a huge, overwhelming mess after the meal, and it will take less time and work to clean it up. Habit number 24. Practice gratitude. Practice gratitude for the items you own and regularly assess whether they bring value to your life. Letting go of things that no longer serve you opens up space for new experiences and opportunities. Let us know in the comments which lazy habit was your favorite. Do you have any lazy decluttering habits of your own? We'd really like to hear from you. Click here for more decluttering tips and tricks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to The Big Sweep and ring the notification bell to stay in the loop with all our future episodes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next episode.